Pro tips to build a perfect Amazon PPC campaign. Structured campaigns. Your Amazon PPC campaigns have to be well structured and keep on refining consistently. Similar product. Always try to add a similar product in one campaign setting. Have similar products in the same ad group will convert more sales. Relevant keywords. Make sure your targeted keywords match your product listings. Irrelevant keywords will impact on the conversation. Use of long-tail keywords. Get specific and more targeted with long-tail keywords, as long-tail keywords are more specific phrases, naturally making them longer and more detailed. Regular bid adjustment. Always track and adjust your spending based on product performance. Take out the bad performing keywords. Competitor keywords. Spy on watch what keywords your competitors use so that you can also use them to take an advantage of the sales volume. High bid strategy on new keywords. Use a higher bid when you add new keywords, and when you rank then start optimizing it. Give time to PPC campaign. You won't see results right away. Don't worry. Be patient and wait to see some results before making changes to your campaign. You can use advertising settings like budget caps to ensure that you don't overspend while waiting for some initial results. Thanks for watching.